In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade Brave browser safely and quickly. Maybe a recent update broke an extension you rely on, or something just feels off and you want to roll back to a version that worked better for you. Downgrading a browser isn't quite as simple as just clicking undo, but if you follow along carefully, you can do it without losing your important data. First, before you touch anything, make a backup of your Brave profile. This is where your bookmarks, history, and settings live. To do this, close Brave completely so it's not running in the background. Then, open your File Explorer and navigate to your user profile's app data or library folder, depending on your operating system. Look for the Brave software folder, then the Brave browser folder inside it. Copy that entire folder somewhere safe, like an external drive or a backup folder on your desktop. This step protects you in case anything goes wrong. Next, we need to remove the current version of Brave from your system. Open your system's apps or program settings. Find Brave browser in the list and choose to uninstall it. When the uninstaller asks if you want to delete your browsing data, make sure you keep it if you didn't back up manually or if you want to be extra safe. Rely on the backup you just created. Let the uninstall finish completely before moving on. Now it's time to get the older version you want to use. Go to Brave's official website or their GitHub releases page and look for the version you're trying to downgrade to. Avoid random third-party download sites because they may not be trustworthy. Once you've found the right installer for your operating system, download it and wait for it to finish. When the download is complete, run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts just like you did when you first installed Brave. After installation, launch Brave and check that it opens correctly and that the version number in the About section matches the one you chose. If your data doesn't appear automatically, close Brave again and restore the backup you made earlier by copying your saved Brave browser folder back into the same location and replacing the existing one. Open Brave once more and confirm your bookmarks, settings, and extensions are back. Finally, to avoid Brave automatically updating to the latest version again, check your system's update settings or any Brave-specific update tools you've installed and turn off automatic updates if needed. Use this carefully because staying on older versions can expose you to security risks. So consider downgrading as a temporary solution until your issue is resolved.